When it comes to achieving healthy skin, we typically turn to skincare products that promise big results. But the secret to glowing skin is more than just a good skin cream. You cannot stop aging, but you can give your skin a boost from the inside out. And glowing skin could start with what's on your plate. Registered Dietitian Nutritionist Liz Weiss joins me through the screen to share. Hi, Liz. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Okay, so why is it so important to what we eat? Why is that so important when it comes to our skin?
Well, you have to remember that your skin is your body's largest organ, so you have to feed it well. You need to focus on foods rich in antioxidants. So that's fruits and vegetables and whole grains and beans and lentils and other pulses. But there's also, oh, don't fall over. That's our first blooper today. But yeah, so there's also fats, healthy fats. So monounsaturated fats found in nuts and seeds, but also omega-3, DHA and EPA, omega-3 found in fatty fish like salmon. We want to get plenty of that. And then healthy, lean protein foods.
Okay, I feel like these are things I keep hearing. I just got to commit them to my memory. But as we get older, it's natural to notice changes in our skin. So how does menopause affect our skin health even further?
Sure. So when women go through menopause, their estrogen levels drop. And estrogen, keep in mind, it supports the production of collagen. And collagen is what gives our skin its structure. So less estrogen, less collagen, also less blood flow to the skin, and less production of oil. Oil might sound, ooh, I don't want oily skin, but the oil is what hydrates your skin. So you can see as women get older, skin is thinner, it's drier, they start to notice wrinkles.
Yes, for sure. And that we don't want them. So, okay, it's good to know because you're going to give us some simple tricks here. So no single food, you say, will completely stop aging, but there are certain foods that can bolster skin health. And there are 3 foods specifically that you call superstar skin foods. And we'll start with almonds.
Okay, so research shows that almonds, which are rich in vitamin E and monounsaturated fats, may help to reduce wrinkles and improve pigmentation in our skin. So 2 ounces a day, or about half a cup of almonds, researchers have shown has that skin improvement quality. I love adding almonds to salads. I love snacking on them, and I love using them as toppers for smoothie bowls.
I do too. And I also love your next one, avocado. So I'm 2 for 2 here already.
Oh my gosh, my favorite food in the world. So avocados contain carotenoids, another powerful antioxidant, and monounsaturated fats. 1 avocado a day, researchers have found consuming 1 a day has been shown to improve skin elasticity and firmness. Now, I love using avocados in just about everything. I could easily eat an avocado a day, but I don't always have a ripe avocado. So my little hack for you is frozen avocado. And I love keeping this in the freezer because it's convenient, it's nutritious, and it's always at the ready. And frozen foods in general reduce food waste. You just use what you need. So keep that as a backup when you don't have that beautiful ripe avocado.
Okay, so you're not freezing your own avocados, you're buying frozen avocado.
I am. You could freeze your own, but I like to buy them frozen because they're frozen at such a low temperature that the quality is just absolutely perfect.
Okay, and your last one is soy foods, that those are really great for our skin, but we want to get to this bowl because you say that this is a smoothie bowl that is packed with all of these ingredients. Show us how to make it.
Okay, so we're going to start with a cup of soy milk. So soy contains isoflavones. Sound very sciencey. It's a natural plant compound. Researchers have shown that consuming 2 soy foods a day, which would be, 2 cups of soy milk or edamame or tofu, but isoflavones, good for the skin, helps to improve hydration and reduce wrinkles. So we're going to start with that cup of soy milk, and then we're going to add some of that frozen avocado. You could use fresh, certainly, but I'm going with that convenience of frozen, so about 2/3 of a cup. And then I'm going to add some almond butter. So these are all of our superstar skin foods going into the blender. And then I'm also going to add, let me use my finger there. So good.
Lick it up.
Some dates. We're adding dates to that, and some cocoa powder. The other thing I'm going to add is a frozen banana. Now, this is one ingredient that I will always, when it's ripe, I'll slice it and freeze it just in a little baggie. And we're going to add that right into the blender as well. And then a little bit of maple syrup and cinnamon and a little bit of vanilla. and then you just blend it all up, and you end up with like a fantastic smoothie bowl for two.
It's a super smoothie. And what do you like to top it with?
Okay, so we're not going to blend this too loud.
Right.
What I do is, this is a bonus recipe that I've given you guys, and it is honey glazed almonds. And just in a skillet, I have sliced almonds, and I just saute them for about 3 minutes with some olive oil and honey. So that's an incredible topper, but you can also use hemp seeds, blueberries, you could add raspberries, really anything goes. And if you have kids or grandkids at home, they can help you decorate those smoothie bowls. So really fun and really nutritious. Great
Well,
for
I
your
love that
skin.
because I've done the almonds, but with sugar before. So you're giving me a healthier alternative. So I like that. Where can people connect with you for more?
Sure. Your viewers can visit me at lizshealthytable.com. This recipe I've given you, I'll have it on my blog as well. And I have so many recipes there, so come on over and check it out.
Thanks so much, Liz.